Hello all! Today we are going to be lightening my roots with $5 box dye. I'm really excited and let's get right into it. Okay, this is the dye I'm using. It was literally $5 at the drugstore. It's Revlon Color Silk, beautiful color. For my virgin black dark roots, I'm using number 4 Ultra Light Natural Blonde. Alright, I wanted to show you guys my natural hair in natural light, my roots in natural light. So I did rose gold a couple weeks ago. That's what's on the bottoms. Then it gets kind of like a dark brown, and then my real hair, and that's what I will be lightening. So let me get close to. And my goal is to kind of get it like light enough where it blends with the brown. I'm gonna put some bleach on the brown, just kind of, you know, like blend it, kind of mess around. I don't really know what I'm doing. Let's start. So I opened the box. Also, I changed my shirt, put on an old shirt. I did not want my winning Mickey Mouse shirt to get ruined because it's like bomb. It comes with this and this. You snip off the top of this, you put this in here, you mix it up, you start putting it in your hair. Okay? Okay. Alright, so I'm opening this, putting this in here. Oh, I feel like a freaking chemist. You know what I mean? Alright, you put this all in there. So you replace it with this. Then it says, you know, use the glove to cover it up and shake it. Shake it. It says shake vigorously, so we're going to shake it vigorously. Alright, after this I'm going to part my hair and then I'll start putting it in. Okay, I don't know if you guys know from my other videos, I hate parting my hair. I think it's so boring and just like, oh, this is like the most annoying part because I never feel like I get full coverage. Like I never feel like I get the back of my head. I just never feel like I'm doing it right, you know? And I just want to do it right. So I feel like this part of my head is the most important. I do it last because I feel like I can be more meticulous. Also, it's in the front. The back I do first. So I'm gonna start with my left side. I'm gonna start putting this vigorously shaken mixture just all over my hair. Okay, I feel like my phone is about to die, so I'm just gonna try to do this like really fast. I mean, I could just go charge it, but why would I do that? That makes too much sense. Okay. So again, I'm putting it all over my roots and like a little down. I don't know, there's rules that say something about blah 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 roots blah blah blah, because I know your roots lighten quicker than your other hair, but I don't have time to go over the bottom part and then do my roots, and also this is a small bottle, so like, you know, again, we're gonna do it, right? We're just gonna do it because we're about action. We're not about being lazy. It's all about the action. This is coming out. Oh, nice. Mush it in there. I think this bottle is so much better than the like the brushes everyone uses. I just feel like you just squirt, mush it, do it, squirt, mush it, do it. The brush is like, I'm brushing it, like it's fucking, I hate it. Okay. Okay, sorry, I realized the light was off before. It's on now, and it's fine because I just did this side and you can't see that because the camera's over there, so duh. Alright, now we're gonna do this section. By the way I did this section was really just, I mean, spectacularly professional. Alright, just do it. Oh, I'm so bored already. So see, I just like put it right in the root. Can you see, what kind of tutorial is this? I don't know. Okay, so this is how I did the back. I just, you know, rubbed it in there, like probably the way you're not supposed to, but it's fine. Now I'm going to start with the very important front section because this is what I'm going to see. Who cares about the back? I can't see back there. I don't care. Take pieces out and then clip the rest of the bushel, and then just do that for the front part. I hope this works. It's an ammonia free. I feel like nothing's gonna happen. So again, I take this, just put it right at the root, like so, and then mush it down. And take the next little piece. These, for the front part, I'm taking very thin sections because I actually, again, care about the way this looks. Like so. Ugh, I can't believe I'm doing a tutorial. You know, I pretend to do tutorials even when the camera isn't on, like all the time, like a freaking insane person. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Revlon, obviously. Why would they? I have like 2 subscribers. Jenna Marbles, I feel like her videos, man, just go rewatch them. They'll make you so happy. I was watching her like doing her own hair video, and I was like, man, that would be so fun to just like hang out with Jenna Marbles and just do your hair together and like, you know, have a friend. Really try to get like this around the hairline part, because when you put your hair up in a ponytail, it'll look really nice when it's, you know, even. Do you guys know that box dye was so villainized to me, like when I was researching things and doing things and by hairstylists, that I did not even know how like cheap and easy it was to do your own hair, and I was paying like $200+, which is objectively insane, I'm sorry, to get my hair done. And I was like, oh, I can literally just use this box dye that my mom has been, and my aunts have been using for years, and their hair looks amazing. Instead of going to the freaking salon, and they just like brush your hair for 2 seconds and charge you $50, like crazy. Like for coloring, salons are just not it. They're just not it. Fun, quick advice, do not mush it into your scalp. It will burn. Hey guys, so it is the next day. My hair is finally dry. I haven't straightened it yet, but I just wanted to show you the results in natural light. So as you can see, for $5, it lightened everything that I wanted it to lighten. Really exciting. Let me get closer. Anyway guys, so that's the video. I feel like for $5 I couldn't have asked for anything better. I'm loving like the gold hue that it's given my hair. And so let me know in the comments what you think, anything, how you do your roots, whatever, and please subscribe.